Ko aora ki te maunga, ko waitaki te awa, taku tae o te titi te marae, noa ora kāparina. O Kati Mamoe, waitaha, no Ngai Tahu ahai, te taha o tōku mamane. Te taha o tōku pāpā, ko taranaki te maunga, ko urinui te awa, ko urinui te marae, Ngāti Mutunga Kore. People that I want to acknowledge are, first of all, my husband's family, who, and especially Te Pani Morris and Me Rehoa, who helped me make my first kete. And I want to acknowledge all the weavers that have passed, and it would be very hard to name all of them, but I think of the likes of Digger and Sana and Lydia Smith from the far north, and of course Emily, and Toa Magda Walscott from down here, down south, Pipi Wharauro Pene from Motueka, who all, in one way or another, set me right on my journey of weaving. I don't know whether I mentioned Te Aue. She was a great friend to me and a great mentor to me. We learn from the past and we learn from those who are around us now. And I've had some wonderful teachers, but it's my job to pass on everything that I know to those who are interested in learning, so that they can be inspired to go out and seek their own way in the weaving world.